Hey everyone, welcome back to another WordPress tutorial. Today we will dive into the WP footer hook, what it does, why it is important, and how you can use it to add scripts and custom codes to your website. Let's get started. So what is WP footer? It is an action hook that runs just before the closing body tag in a theme. It allows plugins and themes to add scripts, tracking codes, and other elements to the footer section of a website. Where it is used, you will usually find the WP footer function inside a theme's footer.php file, like this. In the theme, if you go to footer.php, you will see the WP footer function here. This ensures the necessary scripts and analytics codes load properly. So how to add custom code using WP footer? If you want to add a custom script like a chat widget, you can hook into the WP footer function using add action. Let us see an example. Since it's an action hook, we need to use add action, the hook name, along with the callback function. Just find custom footer script. Just define the function. Let's show a simple JavaScript alert on page load. Script alert. This will add a simple JavaScript alert when the page loads. Let us see. See. And that's a quick look at the WP footer hook. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon. See you in the next one.